Here we go, another scratch that itch that scratch. This I've been looking forward to doing. Mario Kart Yoshi bike, awesome. There's the front of the box, looking cool with the little accessories. You've got interaction things for the figures, which I've got somewhere. There's the back showing you all the little features of the set. It's set 72031, 133 pieces, 7 plus. So yeah, you can actually use the interactive figures with these, so that's kind of cool. Gear up for Mario Kart action with light blue Yoshi. Ride the Yoshi bike and drift between traffic cones or launch shells at them from the bike. But watch out for the slippery banana. Put Lego Mario, Lego Luigi or Lego Peach, figures not included, in the driver's seat to trigger Mario Kart sounds and visual effects and get random items from item box to use in the race. Huh. There you go. And now it says download the Super Mario app for 3D building instructions, which I think is ridiculous. So you have to download a different app just because it's Super Mario. But I've already done that. So let's see if I can go back and back there. There we go. It's probably going to tell me I need to update it or something silly, but we'll see. Super Mario Lego. So it's another 3D app, but seems to be that you have to use it when you're building anything to do with Mario Kart. When were you born? Oh yeah. Hello. I was born a long time ago. There we go. Confirm. Necessary data, no. Experience data, no. Accept all, whatever. And start. Let's see what happens. New digital collection. Explore new worlds as you add your set. Whatever, dude. I don't want to connect. I want to build a set. Add your set. You can't see this, but I'm adding set. Mario Kart Yoshi bike. Yay. Add. Cool. Well, let's go. Build your set. Awesome. Okay. Start here. Okay, I will. Anywho, right. Okay, so nice big colourful screen. I will open it and you will see what you get. I've been looking forward to doing the Yoshi Mario Kart stuff because it's a game I used to love playing a lot. I still got it. Okay, so 3 bags. 1, 2, and 3. Plus instruction manual, so if you haven't got the digital stuff you can just use the manual, but it's so tiny you need a magnifying glass. Whatever, not built for us old boys. Okay, so that's that. It's ready to go, and OpsCat is looking at me like, why are you not letting me have fun destroying all your Lego stuff? Alright, so I'm going to build this and I will be back in a second. Smash the like button, subscribe, comment, tell your friends, please. I need more subscribers. I love you all. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, just hit the button. You know, don't have to watch the videos, but it might be something you'll enjoy. See you in a minute.
A few moments later.
Wow, so this was awesome. I really like this. I know I keep saying that whenever I build a set, but Lego amazes me sometimes. Right, okay, so let's see. Accessories you've got is the red shell, which is very cool, nice shape. The green shell, which you can fire obviously in the red shell too. You've got two blue cones and 2 red cones, so you can kind of set up a little course or whatever. Then you've got the question mark box, which is cool and that interacts. The Yoshi himself is really cool. I really like him. You can see his face. He's very sweet, very cute. Okay, really nice little model piece. I really like it. He doesn't interact with this obviously, but Mario does. Let's go, Mario. Okay, so on this one, let's see if you can see it properly. so it gives you a random thing each time, which is cool. And if I move that and try to do it close to the camera. Right, anyway, I've interrupted, sorry about that. I had a delivery. Okay, so let's go. See if you can see this a little bit better. So that's the shell. Let's see what else we get. Mushroom for speed. What do we got next? Banana. Next. And a shell again. Cool. So that's that one. Now, on the bike, we can also use, we have a banana on the back ready to shoot. Let's see if I can do it this way. No, I can't, okay. Don't know what else it does, to be honest. Trying. Oh, he's flying. Boom. And he lands. Okay, that's cool. Shoo. So, that's cool. I like it. That's very, very cool. Anyway, so there's the interactions. Shooting this is the only thing I don't really like about it, because it's very flimsy the way it's held on, but it does shoot, and also shoots the red shell. The banana is kind of comical. I love the face on the banana, which is really awesome. Smiley banana, that's cool. And then the bike itself, which is really nice. I really like this. I mean, people have complained about the wheels, but they're always going to complain. But I think that is rather cool. And even the bike has got his eyes, his Yoshi eyes. Really nice. Try to give you a 360. There we go. So yeah, both sides, awesome. And then little blue Yoshi sits on it, and he looks really cool. I really like this set. This is because I suppose it brings back like, you know, a bit of nostalgia. I remember playing the first ever Super Mario Kart on my SNES, so yeah, it's kind of me all over really. But there you go, nice interactive set. Of course, we've got all the others to go as well, and then Mario is, what they've done with these is really, really cool. He's crazy. Anyway, we'll say goodbye to Mario. And I will see you later in the next video. What do you think? Comment, subscribe, like, smash the like button. Please comment, please. Everything, anything I can get. Much appreciated. Love this set. See you in the next video.